Hi everyone, Erin Murray here. I'm a lawyer at Oatley Vigmond, one of the proud sponsors of today's events. And with me here today, I have a special guest. This is TJ. He is a 1-year-old Cope dog in training, and he has been doing wonderfully in his training. Just one little issue, he did not want to wear this hat for this video segment, but I guess that's something I'll have to talk to Peggy about. Hope you have a great event. See you there.
Anxiety. I have ADHD too, so some days it'll just be harder than others. I face at-home challenges too.
When I first started teaching, I just gravitated to kids who were sort of on the sidelines or struggling. You know, lots of kids are depressed. You know, they're being bullied when they come to school. I think that leads to lots of anxiety about even coming to school or even just getting out of bed. Canines in the Classroom is a program in which students who need to be more engaged in school are matched with service puppies in training and dogs, and we teach the students how to train the dogs to become service and therapy dogs.
I went through a little bit of a personal struggle. I'm not a dog guy. You know, I kept envisioning that there'll be these dogs walking the hallways and all over the place. It was a little nerve-wracking. And whatever we had done before, just nothing really seems to work. Some of these kids, the help was simply things like coming to school, having a purpose to come to school, which was to take care of the dogs. And for other kids, it's a lifeline.
We teach the kids to believe in themselves, and the dog really needs to know that they've got a leader, and that leader needs to know what they're doing.
She just makes my days 10 times better, and she's my best friend.
It felt really good because I felt that the dog trusted me and I trusted the dog.
The leadership skills that you get. You can not only use them in here, but you can take them out into the work world.
We have a reading buddy program in which the high school students lead and guide the dogs on a reading buddy adventure to an elementary school. It's amazing because the kids that are the handlers, the high school students, they were once the struggling readers, and now they are amazing role models. You know, they're like giants in these kids' minds because they can get these dogs to do all these amazing things. Another aspect of our outreach is visiting seniors' homes with the dogs. The culminating event of our work really is when the service dog is matched with its partner. That's one of the spine-tingling moments, is when you see the relationship between the service dog and its final partner and how it can change that person's life.
When I first found out I was getting Riley, or a service dog in general, I was ecstatic. My medical condition is called fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva. And what it means is that my muscles, joints, and ligaments will eventually turn to bone.
The dog has really changed his personality. He was really quiet before, miserable, didn't have any friends, didn't feel comfortable at school, felt left out, felt like he's in his own prison of a wheelchair, and he just felt different.
I'm physically limited, so I can't reach over and open the door to get into school. So she does that for me. So I take her to school every day, which is really helpful for me. She's a easy conversation starter. If I want to talk to some people, she'll be like, "Oh, how's your dog? Your dog's so cute."
The unique part about COPE is the number of people that are impacted through that one dog's journey of eventually helping somebody with a disability.
I think that COPE is a program that connects dogs and people who need self-worth, who need affirmation, who need trust, who need to be able to communicate. And all these things the dog can bring to the children. And to me, I mean, that is so amazing.
You know, I've seen kids that are having trouble reading, and all of a sudden a dog comes and sits next to them. The dog becomes sort of a pal, and they start to read better. It's just incredible what these animals can do.
Since I got Riley, I've been more at ease to go to school. I feel more comfortable around people. Like for me, I can go anywhere I want now because I have her.
Hello and welcome to COPE's 7th annual high tea. Oh, that was loud. Shh, we're in the park. Don't want to disturb anybody. Anyway, so glad you could make it this afternoon for our 7th annual COPE high tea. We're here, of course, drinking tea, and we're going to be having some wonderful delectables, and we're glad that you could join us. We are thrilled to have all of our dogs here. Well, you'll see them later, but they are here. And we are thrilled that you are here to join us for this afternoon of fun, of fashion, and of furry friends. So, enjoy. I also want to say that you are positively going to enjoy this afternoon. And with no further ado, I would like to welcome our first presenter, which is our third crowned City of Barrie Poet Laureate, Victoria Butler.
Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Butler and I'm the Poet Laureate of Barrie, and today I'm going to be reading a poem about my mom. It doesn't have a title, so I'm just going to call it My Mom. My mother brings me strawberries from her garden before noon. Asks how I would like my coffee every time I visit because she knows some days call for cream and cinnamon, while others are more comfortable with bitterness. Her hands have a tendency to fold warm laundry, even when I tell her to leave it to someone else with more time. Those hands are much softer than mine, her skin preserved with frankincense and coconut oil. She never lets me leave the house without a hug. In her arms is when I know for certain we are a part of each other, deeper than biology, something ancient in us that beats under our breastbone and pours out of our fingertips. She tells me that it is confusing, being the way that we are. To love deeply is to be lonely, misunderstood, to ache, to feel it all like a storm you have no choice but to walk through. But home is at the end of the road, and where else would you go? Who else is there to be? There are old histories she keeps pressed to her chest, folded neat and tidy like those clothes she stacks in my basket and leaves at the end of my bed. Dates attached to memories arrive silently, like a weekday in early summer. Her old pain doesn't flicker in her eyes or creep across her mouth. Instead, she fills the house with extra kindnesses, cleans up the rooms that have been left a mess, pulls paths off of her plants, rolls blueberries into dough for us to eat in the morning. Here I am wondering why she keeps this routine, not yet understanding that being a mother means a type of sacrifice that is never acknowledged as such. Sacrifice is too negative a word. To her, to be her is to love. In the way you don't question breath, you simply do it. Thank you.
Thank you, Victoria Butler. That was amazing. So creative and so talented. We're so fortunate to have her here as our Barrie Poet Laureate. And look at my tea that arrived. My box with my tea and my beautiful quiches that I'm enjoying. Very, very good. Also, we are going to be having a silent auction as part of this event, so to raise funds, obviously, and all the funds go directly to Cope Dogs. So you'll go online, it's copedogs.org. Why don't you also check out what our beautiful dogs do for their life partners? These are people who may have mental health issues, they may have mobility issues, emotional issues, and these dogs are absolutely amazing. So check out this video that we're going to show shortly. And of course, we have wonderful Carey who will be singing along with the video, Benny King's rendition of Stand By Me. Check it out.
I would like to thank you, Carey. That was a wonderful rendition. And thank you for the video to show how our Cope dogs work. And you'll never guess what's up next. It's our annual fashion show with Tracy Baker from ZuZu Boutique, downtown Barrie.
Thanks, Andrea. Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining ZuZu and me for our annual Cope Service Dogs Mother's Day High Tea. I'm thrilled to present this fashion show for 2020. We hope that you enjoy it, and I would like to shout out to the retailers featured to say thank you all for their support. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
Le Petit Chapeau Handmade Millinery is thrilled to be partnering with Cope Service Dogs again this year. My name is Megan Armstrong, and I have been making hats by hand since 1998. I invite everyone watching to visit us at our new studio in Aurelia at 5 Peter Street South, Suite 206, from Wednesday to Saturday. Try on our ready-to-wear line of everyday hats, made in all sizes, or have a hat made for you. I use my extensive knowledge and research into past techniques and designs and work with you to fulfill your hat dreams. Thank you to everyone for supporting Cope this year, and have a wonderful time. The Alchemist Hat has become a worldwide favorite, a Harry Potter-inspired hat made of cotton and multi-size for lots of people. The tip can be worn with the perfect wrinkle or straight up. As with many of our hats, the brim can be worn flipped up or down and is a cheeky hat for every day. The Beach Babe hat is new this year. It is a wide-brimmed hat with a fitted crown. An excellent traveling hat, this pretty pink and white canvas is perfect for lazy summer days in the sun. Another new design for this year, the Newport cap, is a throwback to the 80s preppy style with an adjustable fit strap and a brim that can be curved to your liking. It's great on everyone and offered in classic red, blue, and Kelly green cottons with a cheeky striped strap at the back. The Fascinator is the constant favorite in the studio, and the creativity and options are endless. This one is made of crin and feathers and remains a well-loved combination. Fascinators are a wonderful way to celebrate all of life's events, and something can be made for everyone, in every shape, for every budget. The Poppy hat is a fun and romantic hat made with sheer fabric and a big organza poppy. This year, Poppy hats are offered in black or navy with large solid dots. A light wire is in the brim so you can shape the hat as you please. This hat has become one of the most popular wedding guest hats I've ever created.
For a truly uplifting experience, the destination of choice for all women in Barrie should be 84 Dunlop Street East. Nestled between McRiley's Pub and Trek Bicycle Shop is Bravo Fine Lingerie. Owned and operated by June Jones and Doris Blevins, Bravo exudes refinement, sophistication, and style in its unique boutique setting. Once inside, you'll be treated to a truly caring and respectful experience. Offering a wide variety of European intimates, clients are treated to a fitting process that leaves them satisfied and, maybe for the first time in many years, comfortable. Also, so the men in your lives don't feel neglected, Bravo has some of the most comfortable undergarments in the world for them. Visit in person or online at bravofinelingerie.com, 84 Dunlop Street East in downtown Barrie.
Eleanor is wearing a beautiful nightie by Sael of the Netherlands. Made from modal, it is cool and fresh in the navy and white print. The stretch terry cotton robe, also by Sael, features a full front zip and the ever-important pockets. Both pieces are soft, comfortable, and easy care, and they travel like a dream. Catherine is looking sophisticated in this 100% silk set by Christina of Vancouver. Trimmed in black lace, the animal print definitely makes a statement. Pairing the kimono with black palazzo pants and a tank top, and this chic look will take you into evening. Catherine is showing another pajama set from Australia's Ginger Lily. A silky, cotton viscose blend, this tropical print takes us to a warm, sunny spot with soft breezes. The sky blue lace balconette bra by Simone Perel adds an elegant touch. Thank you, Catherine. Sweet dreams. The beautiful Kristen is wearing an elegant chemise and kimono from Selmark out of Spain. The warm tones are flattering to most skin types. And for another look, the kimono is fabulous with a pair of jeans and a tank top, perfect for travel. Patty is wearing an elegant three-piece pajama set by Ginger Lily of Australia. The cropped pant shows lace detail and a slit, also evident on the camisole. The robe tops it off beautifully. This cotton viscose blend gives it a silk feel that is luxurious, lightweight, and cool. Sue is wearing an absolutely stunning gown made of 100% pure silk. This piece is made by Marie Jo, a luxury lingerie line from Belgium. With their impeccable attention to detail, the gown has a side zip and is embellished with Swarovski crystals. Definitely a showstopper.
ZuZu Fashion Boutique is Barrie's choice for women who love fashion, even if they don't love shopping. The collections are curated with an eye for unique design, comfort, and great fit that will take a woman from day to evening, casual to special occasion, and travel. ZuZu Fashion Advisors bring a compassionate approach with an objective eye, ensuring that every customer leaves feeling confident in her look, whether it's a piece of jewelry, a pair of shoes, or a head-to-toe ensemble. The ZuZu experience is their first priority. Downtown Barrie is the place to be at 25 Dunlop Street East. Make ZuZu your fashion destination.
Jan is ready for a fun fall weekend in this look by Dolcezza. Italian design, made in Turkey, these pieces layer up for comfort and warmth. The cotton blend hooded sweatshirt has interesting detail at the drawstring and pockets, and the quilted vest in copper fits beautifully, pulling it all together with stretch denim jeans. Definitely ready for a getaway. ZuZu is excited to introduce Maloca from Portugal. This separates collection is cozy styling, and in this dress, Kristen is all set for après-ski. You're looking great, Kristen. Weekend ready, Melissa is wearing slim jeans by NYDJ. Soft, comfy, flat front. Her jacket from Nikki Jones is waterproof and reversible with a fresh floral print. And hot off the presses is Gabby Isabella newsprint shirt, oversized and fun. Sparkle? Check out the loafers. This look is really pulled together. This stunning cape by Donna White is a soft knit with faux fur trim. The stripes fall in a beautiful vertical drape from top to bottom, and the curved hemline is flattering and wearable. Karen has paired it elegantly with Mississauga's Code Vitesse in navy, and it would work equally well with denim. Perfect for fall. Kelly is wearing Joseph Ribkoff. Fresh for fall in a stunning amethyst, this dress will take her to a wedding, a reception, the theater, and beyond. The unique ruffle wraps all the way around to a V back, and it's comfortable with a full stretch. It doesn't need any more than some sparkle at the ear and at the foot. Thank you, Kelly. It's coat season, and this is your best option from Nikki Jones of Montreal. A 3-in-1, it incorporates a knee-length overcoat with an easy zip front. Soft and cozy, the puffy jacket provides protection from the wind. And the colors, basic black, versatile charcoal, soft denim blue, or rich tortoise. A poly viscous spandex blend, both pieces are machine washable. Worn together or separate, you are well covered from early fall through to spring.
The finest in traditional and contemporary men's fashion for almost 30 years, John McNabb Clothier remains a local institution amid downtown Barrie, offering custom-made and tailored suits, sports jackets, and trousers from the finest Canadian manufacturers, with a host of domestic and European casual wear for all sartorial needs. You'll find John McNabb Clothier at 15 Dunlop Street West in downtown Barrie. Ryan's all-season look shows an interesting use of print and texture. The custom wool suit by Samuelson of Montreal is a rich olive green, and his vest has been swapped out for this Prince of Wales check by Copley of Hamilton. It's pulled together by the striped cotton shirt and silk jacquard tie in plum. These versatile pieces give mix and match a great look. Jay's looking casual and sophisticated in a super soft 100% cashmere sweater by Italy's Daniele Faisoli. The 100% cotton button-down shirt is shown in a university stripe by Montreal's Lipson. And the 34 Heritage jean finishes the look with comfort and style. John is weekend ready in a shirt by Germany's Hutt and pant by Alberto, also of Germany. The poly-viscous blend keeps him cool in the summer, warm in the winter. The sweater by Andean is a fine alpaca from Peru. John's ready for fall and winter. Thank you, John. Jason is dapper in this custom-made suit by Samuelson of Montreal. The Colombo ice wool fabric is exclusive to them. Paired with a Serica non-iron classic white shirt and Dion silk tie, this look definitely makes a statement. This is an interesting use of color in Ryan's casual look. The cotton Oxford button-down shirt in pale pink is topped by a pine green sweater of merino wool. The tan pant by Brax is cool in cotton. Finishing it off is a lightweight basket weave jacket in a silk wool linen blend. This just shows that you can be creative with your color combinations and produce a very wearable look. John is casual but elegant in a blue print cotton shirt by Bugatti. He's paired it with a cotton elastin pant by Brax in a soft ocean blue. This spectacular jacket in lamb by Lamarck is versatile with a removable bib for extra warmth and protection. Cold weather ready. Established over 25 years ago, Helen's Bridal has become an institution in Barrie and surrounding, providing exceptional care and service to brides and bridesmaids. They adhere to the pillars of customer service and pride themselves on a client approach of honesty, integrity, and kindness. The experienced and knowledgeable consultants are capable of working with a multitude of time frames, budgets, and styles. All are welcome, and it is both their honor and pleasure to help you find the one for your special day. Call Helen's Bridal to book your appointment at 520 Brine Drive, Unit 9 in Barrie's South End.
Tracy is wearing a soft chiffon gown by Agnes Collection, and we are excited to introduce them to North America. This dress features a beaded bodice and an A-line skirt that is perfect for living it up on the dance floor.
Welcome, Maxine. She's wearing a beautiful Michaela crepe gown with a halter neckline and spaghetti straps at the back. The lace detail accentuates the waist, making this a modern take on a wedding gown. And here comes Sage in a beautiful Michaela lace wedding dress. This gown has a stunning sweetheart neckline, spaghetti straps, and a fit and flare skirt with a scalloped hem. And look at that plunging back. This design is perfect for many settings, including the beach, the barn, or the backyard. Absolutely gorgeous.
Bring the glamour to the beach with this head turner from Stella York. This effortless, easy-to-wear silhouette features lace and a plunging V neckline. Finished with a long, scalloped train, this gown offers the best of both worlds for romantic and sexy.
Maxine is wearing Tate by Sotaro and Midgley. For the princess bride, this unconventionally chic ball gown wedding dress has a surprising combo of textures. We're especially fond of the portrait meets sweetheart neckline, trimmed in soft illusion lace. Thank you, Maxine. Welcome back, Sage. She's wearing Roxanne by Sotaro and Midgley. How about an enchanted forest for your venue? Consider gowns of the breezy boho persuasion, featuring sheer details, sensual lines, and the perfect pockets. All over sequin lace, sheer bodice with illusion side panels, a deep illusion V back, and beaded spaghetti straps. It's the beautiful Yarka doing her tap dancing.
Traditional highlighted Polish.
And what are you wearing today, Yarka?
I'm wearing nothing.
And how did we enjoy that? That was amazing. Thank you to all of the retailers that were part of our fashion extravaganza. I know, for me, I'm going to be dressed to the canines this winter while I'm holed up watching Netflix on my couch. And nobody will get to enjoy it. And speaking of couches, I'm sure our next guest presenter, who we're going to hear from, is probably sitting on her couch enjoying this show as well. And I really, really miss her because she's usually my sidekick for the Cope High Tea. Let's hear from my friend Kat from Rock 95.
Hey, it's Kat from the Rock 95 Morning Crew. I am very, very sad that I'm not able to be with you for us to enjoy the Cope Service Dogs High Tea this year, but the great news is we get to enjoy it from home. There's still a ton of stuff to do, so grab your fascinator and your tea box and your comfiest pair of sweatpants, since it's virtual, and enjoy, and we'll see you next year.
Thank you so much, Kat, and I truly miss you. Hope to see you here next year with your little kitten. And with no further ado, we have Christina Hutt.
This goes out to Sharon and Jen. Well, I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found her beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman, She's stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. Oh, I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. 'Cause we are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know that we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your woman. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Hi and welcome back. And now we've come to the portion where we would like to thank our platinum sponsors for this event. We have Magic Cut Media and Promotion, Rock 95, Cool FM, Barrie 360, JMS Law, Allendale Vets, Barrie Firefighters, ZuZu Fashion Boutique, Simcoe Print Solutions, and please let's not forget Liberty North, who did a great job again with the food and the tea. And now we'll have the amazing Carey Worrod as well.
You could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts would tell. It's like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In a castle dark, or a fortress strong, the shades upon my feet, that ghost is me. And I would never be set free as long as I'm a ghost you can't see. tale my thoughts would tell. It's like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In a castle dog, oh, a fortress strong, the shades upon my feet, the story always ends. And if you read between the lines, you'll know that I'm just trying to understand the feeling that you like. I never thought I could feel this way. I got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone. I just can't get it back.
Hello again, and thank you. That was one of my most favorite songs of all time, Carey, so thank you for singing that. And hasn't this event just gone on without a hitch? Like no wardrobe malfunctions, no puppy doo-doo, just puppy chewing. Are you supposed to be chewing on that? This is why we need funds. We need some decent chew toys for these guys. And look how cute they are. This is some dog and this is the other dog. I don't know their names, but I think this one's called Henry. Anyway, I am just so thrilled. This afternoon has just been amazing. So let's meet now the man of the hour, James Martin, before this one runs away.
Hey everyone, it's James Martin from Magic Hutt Media and Promotion. I'm joined by this good little doggy, Magic. So at Magic Hutt Media, we basically create high quality corporate videos for different businesses to express their brand, and we teach them how to create their own high quality videos from home using the equipment that they have. I'm so pleased to be a part of the High Tea fundraiser coming up. Cope Dogs is such an amazing organization. They not only train dogs on helping with people with challenges and needs, one of the things that's also really, really cool is that they allow other people to train the dogs and adopt them and give them their own companionship along the way. And it's such a great benefit, especially for students, high school students, college students that are feeling very lonely and very stressed out, especially in these current times. So I hope you go and support the Cope services, and I hope everyone has a fantastic high tea.
Hello, and this is Trooper. Look how good he is. You know, you can't even see him for the blanket, right? You can barely see him for the blanket. Anyway, I want to give a huge thank you to all the volunteers who helped organize this event. And I want to thank them for delivering the tea in a box. How wonderful, to all the people all over Barrie. And now we're going to have Christina Hutt is waiting to entertain us once again. Over to you, Christina.
That was a special moment when I played that at Jim and Sharon's back in the winter. One of my last gigs before COVID hit. It was a magical night. Something else that happened that night was I debuted one of my original songs. I wrote this song and I had just finished it, and I had Jim and Sharon had invited me to sing at one of their parties at their house, and I sang this song for the first time, and by the end of the evening they requested me to do it again, and they were singing along, and I'm very excited that I've released the song since then. I've recorded it in the studio and released it since then, and there's some exciting things happening with this song, so stay tuned.
"15 days ago, think you've lost your mind. Now I'm left here all alone. For you I pine. And there's 15 shades of tears on my pillow. 15 shades I've cried since you left. I keep trying to forget that you up and left, but these 15 shades remind me that you're gone. Darling, I don't think you realize just what you've lost when you're with those other guys. Honey, I'm a woman, and I give some good, sweet loving. And once I'm done crying, I'll be done trying for your love. And these 15 shades of tears on my pillow. 15 shades I've cried since you left. I keep trying to forget that you up and left, but these 15 shades remind me that you're gone. Oh, these 15 shades remind me that you're gone. Oh, these 15 shades remind me that you're gone.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much for having me be part of your event.
Thank you, Christina. And a big thank you to everyone who joined us this year. I hope you had a wonderful time. I know I did. I mean, look, who can't? You can't beat Picnic with Puppies, right? Brilliant. Maybe we can do this again next year. If not, we will just make it work, right? Come here, sweetheart. Come over here. Don't forget to check out the auction at copedogs.org. And remember, every dollar raised goes to Cope Dogs. Thank you for joining us. Okay, these people want to get out of here. They've had enough of this tea. Thank you for joining us, and here's Carey to sing us out.